Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique solution for hat lovers out there. If you're tired of your hats lying around and want a convenient way to organize them neatly, you're in the right place. We're talking about the best adhesive wall hooks for hats currently available on the market. These adhesive hooks are not just any hooks. They're designed specifically to securely hold your baseball caps without the need for drilling or damaging your walls. Perfect for dorm rooms, apartments, or anyone who wants a clutter-free space. Now, let's explore why these hooks stand out. First off, they're incredibly easy to install. Simply peel off the adhesive backing, press firmly against a clean, dry surface, and voila! You have a strong, reliable hook ready to support your hats. Imagine having your favorite caps neatly lined up, easily accessible whenever you need them. Whether it's your sports caps, fashion statements, or just everyday essentials, these hooks keep them organized and within arm's reach. What sets these hooks apart is their robust adhesive, ensuring they stay put. No more worrying about hooks coming loose over time. Plus, their minimalist design blends seamlessly with any decor, making them a stylish addition to your space. Thousands of users have rated these hooks highly for their reliability and ease of use. It's no wonder they've become a go-to choice for hat enthusiasts everywhere. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to hat clutter and hello to a more organized living space, click the link in the description to get your set of these adhesive wall hooks today. That wraps up our review of the best adhesive wall hooks for hats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay organized.